What's good, YouTube gang? Yo, today I got a crazy video for y'all, man. Yeah, from East from try to see what we're dealing with today, man. Apparently a couple of hours ago there was a crazy shootout, crazy robbery in Jamaica with those Beryllium Brinks truck. Yeah, and it seemed like it was really crazy shootout. I'm going to check out and react to it, man, because a lot of people say they want to see this video, man. It's mad crazy. Like, these people, like, they got a crazy amount of cash. You know what I'm saying? And it was in broad daylight. Yo, let's check it out, then we're gonna chop it up. You know what I'm saying? Yo, that's a big bag of cash, yo. That's a big bag of cash. Look at that shit, man. Rifle, yeah, man. High power rifle, you man, them have it, man.
Yo, no one out of here, man. No one out of brother and get flat. You know, see, man, I'm a pump rifle, man, I'm a rifle, man, I'm a M16. I'll be a 2 gun, man, I'm a chopper down the blind. They might come like a shoot to bomb.
Bro, that's wild, yo. Man, that's crazy. It's crazy shoot. A lot of people be like, yo, how they let that happen, all that. Bro, they're not paying those security guards enough, you know, to guard that money. You know what I'm saying? And people in Jamaica, them hungry, you know what I'm saying? They ain't got an opportunity, money ain't coming in like it's supposed to. All those scammers bought up all these guns, and those guns are laying around and they're not making the money right now, bro. People things shit gonna get crazy, you know, but they might take things, cause you don't know, we go getters in Jamaica, you know what I'm saying? We're not sitting on weird pond, we're gonna try to make something happen. You know what I'm saying? And that's what's going on, man. It's sad, it's crazy, and yo, but we can't sorry for these institutions. These institutions are robbing people worse than the scammers, you know what I'm saying? So if you know, if a one man can't take on your 2 food and 1 or 2 food, bro, hey, go ahead, man. You know what I'm saying? We can't, bro. These institutions are doing worse at the end of the day. Yeah, so you want to judge these come and be like, yo, Ray. Yeah, these institutions doing worse. So I can't even be mad, bro. If you're hungry, dog, me that tell a man say, if you're, you know what I'm saying? If you're hungry and about to dead, it better you go make something happen, dog. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know, so shit. Life rough. People want to have good life too. You see me? People want to eat food. People want to be able to. Hey, a man going, yo, where there's a will, there's a way. You know what I'm saying? I'm just hoping that no innocent bystanders got hurt in the process of this. But as far as the institution, man, hey, man, y'all get more money. The money's insured anyway. You know what I'm saying? But hey, I wish there was a better way. They didn't have to go through all of this to get some money. But man, if there's no other way, what you gonna do, bro? You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, crazy. Let me know what y'all think about the situation, gang. Crazy situation, crazy happening, man. But hey, you know what I'm saying? It's part of life, bro. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Let me know if you know about this, if you've seen this already, and what you think about the whole situation. I heard like one of the guys reveal himself. So let me know if you want to see that video. You know what I'm saying? And we chop it up, man. Remember, hit the like and subscribe button, join the Discord. You don't know what time it is, boy. Jambisco. Till next time, I'm out.